Good day, volleyball fans. We are now heading to our fourth game here in the women's subdivision of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. For our fourth game, it is the battle between the city of Alaminos, who is still undefeated for this conference, versus the municipality of Bani, having 4-2 standing. So for this matchup, makikita natin kung sino nga ba ang nakapag-prepare mula sa kanilang depensa, receive, and also sa kanilang play sa loob ng court. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our page because our game 4 in the women's division is going to be exciting. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
Good morning once again to all our volleyball enthusiasts watching us live here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center, and to our viewers joining us through our live stream from different parts of Pangasinan. Welcome back to the Governor Ramon V. Gico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, where another exciting women's division showdown is about to unfold. Before we get underway, we would once again like to recognize the man behind this prestigious tournament, our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon Vigico III. His steadfast commitment to sports development and youth empowerment has provided and showcased their talents on a bigger stage. Truly, Pangasinan, ang galing now. It's time for our fourth match of the day, featuring two teams with different stories but one common goal: to earn a valuable victory. It is between Team Bani versus Team Alaminos City. I am Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner Cliff Lagisma. Let's get ready for another thrilling volleyball battle.
Serving Lala's jersey number 6.
Estayo sets it to Javilio, and that catches the line. First point for Team Alaminos City.
Javilio starting the fire in this set. Still serving patient Lalas. Ooh, almost a service ace. Serving jersey number 11 for Team Bani. Jump serve. Stayo kneeling set to Duran. Free ball. Stayo want to play. Stayo to Javilio flying. Dog. Serving to the opposite. And inside for Team Bani. Good serve, Estayo to Javilio. Dog. Francia, free ball. Estayo to Duran. Denied. Denied by Francisco.
Still serving jersey number 11. And a service error committed by the setter.
Two serving three, Estayo in the service deck. Good serve. Free ball. Estayo to Ocado. Dog. Free ball. And Javilio scores. 3-all. Early deadlock. Estayo serving again. Francia, free ball. Estayo to the flying Javilio, and she scores again. Estayo steady on the service deck. Free ball. Estayo, who will she turn to? Duran. Sets the middle. Francisco, and Francisco scores for Team Bani. It's a matchup between Duran and Francisco. Javilio ginawa ng paraan. Stayo to the flying Avilio. But straight to the antenna. Francisco still serving.
Guys, a
Oh,
block by
no coverage
Optinario.
there.
Francisco. Estaya is a set kay Ocado. Doug. Kaasi tataas. Francia will give a free ball. Estayo to Havilio, and that is a point for jersey number 3.
That was hot from Havilio. Duran serving. Galido. Lalas to Stayo. To the middle, Ancheta. Dog by the libero. Block by Ocado. Free ball. Ocado free. Estayo want to play. Lala saves. Estayo binato sa open. Avilio. Long rally we have right now. Estayo. And Ancheta scores. Placement shot.
Serving jersey number 18, Duran. Good serve and a service ace for jersey number 18.
Duran. Funny at that time. Dallas receives Estayo. Binato kay Ancheta. Placement shot. Sarmiento binigay lang. Estayo babalik kay Ocado. And Ocado scores.
Now in the service zone, jersey number 3, Havilio. That is outside. Deadlock at 8. Serving Galido. Receive by the libero. Estay sa set sa gitna. And point for Ancheta.
Unrecovered by Team Bani after that Ancheta hit.
Basila hahabulin.
Ancheta. Lalas receives. Lalas. And Lalas scores on the check ball.
Ocado. Basila sets it to Kaasi. Not over.
Kaasi intimidated by the Ancheta block.
This is a 3-0 run. Ocado sends it long.
Too wide for Ocado.
Serving. Jersey number 12, Obtenario. Good ball. Basila is set sa open. Andan yung libero, Estayo. To Lalas, off speed. Basila to the middle. And Francisco gets the point.
Alaminos just 1 point lead. Lalas receives. Estayo. Ancheta.
Basila itataas para kay Kaasi. Free ball, Estayo.
Ancheta hiningi yung bola and she scores.
Ancheta. Basila sets it to Francisco.
Still serving Ancheta. Almost an ace. Free ball. Style to Duran. Block. Ancheta plays spiker now. Francisco drop ball and this Estayo. Duran plays setter to Estayo. Ball out.
Estayo will set it to Duran. Blocked by Francisco.
Francisco denying Javilio. Good match up at the net. Serving jersey number 2 for Bani. Sharp serve.
At
Duran
pinabawi
bumawi.
agad. Lalas. Short serve. Basila will set it to Ofrancia. And a point for jersey number 7. 1 point lead for Team Alaminos City. Serving Basila. Almost an ace. Free ball for
Bodies
Team
on
Bani.
the floor
Basila
for
is
Team
set para kay
Alaminos. Francisco. Denied by the net. Estayo serving for Team Alaminos City. Basila, who will she go to? Galido. Javilio kinaliwa. Still serving Estayo. Good serve. Francisco. Tolalas. Javilio. Javilio. Shotgun. For Javilio.
Ocado will set it to Javilio. And another point for jersey number 3. Lamang ng 5 ang Team Alaminos City.
Back to our ball game between Alaminos City and Bani. Estayo.
Yeah.
Estayo to Duran. Ang point for Alaminos City.
Six-point lead, Estayo. Francisco itataas. Free ball for Team Alaminos City. Estayo to Javilio. Kaasi. Basila to the middle. Ball that is outside.
Francisco underneath the ball after that attack. Conte comes in for Team Bani. Almost an ace for Estayo. Estayo backsets Ocado. And jersey number 8 of Bani couldn't handle that.
Galido out. Nazarita in for Team Bani.
Estayo serves. Straight to the libero. Ooh, hesitation there by Conte and Nazarita.
And a service error for Estayo. Eight-point lead. Serving jersey number 10, Francisco. And a service error.
Francisco committing a service error for Team Bani.
Duran. Received by Constantino to Obtenario. Ancheta. Javilio drop ball. Andun si Basila. Conte. Chased by Javilio.
Duran. Kulang sa tulak.
Estayo to Ancheta.
Ancheta, Doug. Nazarita, Ancheta. Basila to the open. Ooh. Solid block by jersey number 12. Obtinario.
Estayo. Si set para kay Javilio. Ginawa ng paraan. Obtenario. Free ball. Estayo sa opposite. And a point for jersey number 2, Ocado.
Javilio shouting palo before that hit of Ocado. Javilio serving. Roberto sets to Kaasi. Estayo. Ancheta. Father denying Kaasi. Ooh! Point for Team Bani. Ancheta hesitated to get that ball.
Serving jersey number 1, Nazarita. Estayo is set kay Lalas and Daniel Libero. To Kaasi, that is outside. So, Alaminos
And
gets
first
the first
set goes to Team Alaminos City.
Bani.
Second set between Team Alaminos City and Team Bani. Bani up 10-7. Mari to Ancheta. And Ancheta scores.
Galido. Isiset para kay Afrancia, but that
Francia
is
straight to the
error.
net. Francia denied. Francia tries again. Mari to the open go and go! Statement attack from Go.
Good timeout for Team Alaminos City. We are now tied at 10. Ancheta would serve. Basila backs it to Obtenario. Block, self-cover. Constantino will send it over. Marie to Go. Blocked. Go, drop ball. Conte itataas para kay Ofrancia, but attack error for jersey number 7.
Good hustle there by Team Alaminos. Reclaiming the lead 11-10. Ancheta serving. Basila. To Obtenario drop ball. Sa likod lang ni Go.
Francia out, Kaasi in for Team Bani.
Mari sets to the open. Ison with the point. Serving Go. Ooh, too wide. Too much muscle on that serve for Go. Kaasi serving. Free ball. Basila to Francisco. Free ball to Ison. Drop ball. Galido to Conte. Couldn't get through. Point for Alaminos City. Mari serving. Almost an ace. Free ball. Mari to Ison and she is wide. She hits wide rather.
Galido out, Nazarita in for Team Bani.
Tight second set partner. Exchange of leads.
Basila, sinet kay Nazarita, andon si Ison. Marie will set it to Ancheta. Constantino was there. Basila to Conte. Ranches, not over. Deadlock at 14.
Francisco serving.
Francisco. Good reception. Marie opens up to Ancheta and a point for jersey number 11. Serving Ranches. Short serve of Denario Joust. And a point for Team Bani. Serve. Back set para kay Ancheta. No coverage there on the part of Team Bani.
Ancheta scores that time. 16 serving 15.
Kaasi.
Ooh.
And that
Zone
is
1 unattended that
inside.
time.
Babalik na dito si Galido. Galido, good serve. Marie.
Ooh.
And an error for jersey number 12.
Mari couldn't contain her momentum there, touching the net. Point for Team Bani.
Si Beranches to go. And then yung libero, Basila is set sa middle block. The cover of Denario will send it over sa gitna. And then si Kaasi, Basila is set sa open. Marie to go. And a point for jersey number 14. Deadlock at 17.
A very tight second set. Basila to the open. Oh. Net fault from Team Alaminos, giving Team Bani 1 point lead. Ranches receives. Mari. Go. Denied. Ooh. Great save there.
Timeout for Team Alaminos City dahil lamang na po ng dalawa ang Team Bani.
Mari to go. Doug Basila to the open. Doug by Javilio. Go again. And it drops inside. 18 serving 19. A very exciting and tight match here. Go serves. Basila, who will she go to? Francisco. Francisco giving Bani 2-point lead. Serving Kaasi. Mari to Javilio. And it's inside. How fast that was for Javilio. Serving 19-20. Francisco. Facials go. And apologizes to go. Change of players for Team Alaminos. They are down by 2. Basila serving. Estayo. Javilio. Outside. Basila serving for Team Bani. And it's out. A momentum killer there for from Basila. Still with a 2-point lead for Team Bani. Easton serves. And it's out. Back-to-back service errors from both teams. Francisco now at the back. Estayo, Ancheta, and Ancheta scores. Will Alaminos end this match or will Team Bani extends it to third set? We'll find out, ladies and gentlemen.
Serving jersey number 3, Javilio. Basila sa set para kay Conte, but that is attack error.
Crucial error there for Conte. Bani down, Alaminos down 1. Javilio serves. Basila to the middle, drop ball. Tinaas para kay Lalas, free ball. Basila to the middle. Dug by Javilio, Estayo. Free ball, Lalas, and Obtenario ending that rally. Caberto couldn't handle it. Set point, Bani. Conte serves. Estayo, kanino pupunta? Good ball. Free ball for Team Alaminos. Another good save. Estayo kneeling set. And, 4 touches for Team Bani. Ancheta Credit that to Ancheta. 23 serving 24. Optenario drops. Ancheta sets to Lalas. Off speed. Basila, Optenario, drop ball! And Team
we are-
Bani extend the match.
We are going to a third and deciding set. Huwag po kayong aalis dahil this is just the fourth game of the women's division. Susunod po dito ay ang ating last game sa women's division.
Third set between Alaminos City and Team Bani. Lalas starting things out. Conte with a drop ball placement shot. First point for Team Bani.
Serving jersey number 11, Basila. Receive with the libero. Estayo want to play. And then si Francisco. Si net para kay Javilio. Then si Kaasi. Francisco will send it over. Pero that is too strong. First point for Team Alaminos City.
Full front row for Estayo.
Basila to Galido, and then si Duran. Estayo will set it to Ocado, and successful attack there. Jersey number 2. Sharp serve. Basila underhands it to Conte, but too strong.
Estayo steady in the service area.
Free ball. Estayo to Avilio, but score for Francisco.
Serving Francisco. Estayo, who will she go to? Avilio, and
Not over.
no block touch. Francisco still serving.
Estayo back set to Duran. Andan si Francisco. Si set para sa 4. Estayo to Avilio. Checked. Si set sa open. Conte. Lalas will set it to Avilio but gives a free ball. Basila sa gitna.
Obtenario too wide on that attack. Avilio serves. Steyer receives. Ancheta. And Ancheta scores. Zone 6 unguarded there.
Duran. Received by Constantino. Sets to Obtenario. Speed. Estayo to Ancheta. Andun si Constantino. Basila. Free ball. Estayo to Ocado. Good ball. Conte will send it over. Estayo.
Long
si set
rally
para kay
alert.
Avilio.
And Obtenario couldn't handle the Avilio hit.
3-point lead for Team Alaminos City. Misreceived. Good ball. Ancheta is set para kay Avilio and pumasok sa block ni
It's
Obtenario.
a similar situation, partner. Obtenario and Avilio in the net.
Conte. Basila is set but free ball. Estayo nearly set at to Ocado. Basila para kay Galido. Saved. Basila one hand set to Obtenario.
Ooh.
Finds zone 5.
Obtenario finds the line. Lalas unprepared.
Good serve. Over received. Estayo is set kay Ocado. Blocked. Nice cover. Avilio push. Basila to Kaasi. But
Team Bani contesting the call. No block touch there for Team Bani. Point for Team Alaminos. Josane serves. Ocado. Battle at the net. Kaasi and Ocado. Okado off speed. Estayo to Okado.
Andun si Galido. Free ball for Team Alaminos. Estayo to Ancheta. And
Ancheta.
timeout Team Bani. Lamang ng 5 ang Team Alaminos City.
Nine serving for Havilio serving. Kasi Estayo to Lalas. And Lalas lucky on that point. Havilio still serving.
Attack
Too much
error
muscle
for
on that. And
Galido.
jersey number 8.
This is a 7-point lead for Team Alaminos City. Ancheta will play setter here. Lalas pushes that
And
one.
Lalas scores.
Havilio. Constantino ay tinaas. Free ball. Estayo to Okado. And andun si Obtinario. Okado. Conte isiset para kay Kaasi. Another free ball. Estayo to Ancheta pushes that one. Isiset. Kaasi, self-cover. And then yung libero, Basila. Obtinario, babies that one.
Okado serving for Team Alaminos. 13-5. Good serve. Almost an ace. Binalik ng libero. Okado sets to Lalas. Nothing there. Obtenario. Ooh. Point for Team Alaminos.
9-point lead. Serving Okado. Is received. Another error for Team Bani.
Frustrations all over the faces of Team Bani.
Conte out, Nazarita in. Basila. To Kaasi, blocked. Andun si Constantino. Free ball. Estayo, isiset sa gitna. Andun si Basila. Kaasi. Sa open. A point for Team Alaminos City.
Okado still serving. Kaasi. Ooh.
Donut hole on the side
Libero
of Team
Caberto a
Alaminos
little too
City.
late.
Serving jersey number 12 rather, of Denario. Estayo. Free ball. And a free point for Team Alaminos City.
Seventeen serving 6. Francisco in front now. Ooh. Lalas drops the ball.
Timeout, Team Bani. This is a 12-point lead now for Team Alaminos City.
Ancheta now serving. Basila to obtain Francisco. Good ball. Save by Astayo. Basila to Francisco. Double block won't work.
Serving jersey number 2, Kaasi. Estayo will set it to Duran. Nazarita.
Ball out for Nazarita.
No check ball. Estayo 1-2 play.
Ooh.
Successful 1-2 play there.
Basila and the libero colliding. Lala serves. Basila itinasang bola for Nazarita. Good ball, Estayo to Josane. Kinaliwa. Drop. And it drops. Lucky point for Josane. Seven serving 22. And ball out. Alaminos smelling blood in this match. Staya serves. Basila. Overset. Ocado. Staya to Duran. Nazarita. Lumusot.
Sinet sa 4.
And a point for Team Alaminos courtesy of Duran with that block point.
Estayo. And that is inside. And
Ball
we are now
in.
at match point for Team Alaminos City.
Match point for Team Alaminos. Nice. Javilio drop ball and she closes the match. Congratulations for the both teams.
That ends our fourth game here in the Women's Division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. So both teams showed heart, teamwork, and also all-out effort from the first set up until the third set. Congratulations for our winning team, City of Alaminos, and still congratulations for Municipality of Bani for giving us a nice game. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Player number 3, Josein Javilio, having 15 attacks. So congratulations again for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. Since nakita naman natin na nakakuha ng isang set, yung Team Bani. After the second set, ano yung niremind sa inyo ng coach ninyo para bumalik sa kung ano yung laro nyo ng first set?
Syempre po, sa amin po sa first six po, gusto din po namin makalaro po lahat ng team. Kaya inisip po namin na dapat tuloy pa din po yung streak namin na inaalagaan po namin. Kaya ayun po, okay naman po, maganda po yung naging execution po ng maganda po yung connection namin sa loob.
Maganda nga yun na dahil lahat kayo nakapaglaro and syempre at least nakuha nyo pa rin yung panalo for this game. So, since halos ikaw madalas ang player of the game from Team Alaminos, paano mo maintain yung consistency mo every game?
Like what I said po sa mga previous na sinasabi ko po, yun nga po, consistency din po. Tas ginagawa ko lang po yung part ko para po, yun po, manalo po, tas makaambag po sa team.
Grabe nga yung ambag mo, parang every day, parang every game ninyo, ikaw halos yung POG. So, ano naman message mo sa mga teammates mo, family and friends, and also sa supporters ng Alaminos?
Syempre po, thank you po sa unending support po na binibigay po nung mga sa LGU po namin. Syempre, Mayor, yung shoes po namin inaantay pa din po namin. At thank you din po syempre sa coaching staff po namin sa patuloy po na pag-help po sa amin para po maayos po namin yung laro. At pwede pag-shoutout po. Shoutout po kay Mami Dali Galep. Babalik po kami dyan. Thank you po sa mga nanonood din po na iba.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating fourth game in the women's division. But to stay here in our page, dahil meron pa tayong remaining one game para sa women's division. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.